In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and sync files on OneDrive. If you want an easy way to store your files in the cloud and keep them available across your devices, OneDrive is a great option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to upload a folder directly to OneDrive so your files are stored online and ready to sync wherever you use your account. To get started, open OneDrive and go to the My Files area. This is the main space where you can view and manage the files and folders stored in your OneDrive account. If you're already signed in, you should land here quickly. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct location before moving on, especially if you have multiple folders or shared content visible. Once you're in My Files, look for the Create or Upload button and click it. This menu gives you different ways to add content to your OneDrive. Depending on your screen size or browser, the button may appear near the top of the page, but the label should be easy to spot. From the drop-down menu, click Folder Upload. This option is useful when you want to upload an entire folder at once instead of selecting files one by one. It can save time and also helps preserve your folder structure, which makes organizing your files much easier after the upload is complete. After that, a file browser window from your computer will open. Here, select the items from your computer that you want to upload. In this case, you'll choose the folder you want to add to OneDrive. Make sure you pick the correct folder, especially if it contains several subfolders or important files. Taking a second to double check now can help you avoid uploading the wrong content. Once you've selected the folder, click Open to begin the upload. OneDrive will start transferring the folder and its contents to your cloud storage. Depending on the size of the folder and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Larger folders can take longer, so it's normal if you need to wait a bit. After the upload finishes, your folder will appear in OneDrive under My Files. From there, it can sync across devices where you use OneDrive, making your content easier to access and manage. This is especially helpful if you work on multiple computers or want a backup of important files online. And that's it. You've now uploaded a folder to OneDrive and set yourself up for easier file syncing and access in the cloud.